Hi first graders, welcome to Unit 2, Week 2, Day 3. We're going to start by making the sounds in a word and putting it together. After we make the word, we'll count how many sounds there were. G. Mug. 3 sounds. Let's do a few more. P. Up. 2 sounds. Fun. 3 sounds. Plum. 4 sounds. Cup. 3 sounds. Drum. 4 sounds. Stuck. 4 sounds. Okay. We will take turns because it is day 3. So you gotta go first. Word, snug. We'll blend together. Plum. Word, plum. Your turn. Blend. Word, duck. Together. Up. Word, up. Okay, friends. We're going to look at these sounds. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. St. 3, 2, 1. K. 3, 2, 1. F. 3, 2, 1. Der. 3, 2, 1. Pull. 3, 2, 1. Ah. 3, 2, 1. Tur. 3, 2, 1. Sn. 3, 2, 1. Ah. 3, 2, 1. Full. 3, 2, 1. S. Okay, we're going to do the top together and then we'll trade, we'll take turns next. Here we go. Yuck. Word, yuck. Mud. Word, mud. Word, huff. Word, stuff. Okay, this time we're going to take turns. You get to go first. Word, drum. Snug. Word, snug. Your turn. Word, bug. Plug. Word, plug. Okay. Here we go again. You gotta go first. Word, cub. Fun. Word, fun. Oh, your turn. Word, hut. Oh, huts. And together, stuck. Word, stuck. Your turn. Word, puff. I'm going to let you do these ones alone. Okay, go ahead. That's a G. Word, gruff. Your turn again. Word, dress. Word, pluck. That was a P. Okay, now this time you get to do all of them. I'll give you 3 seconds, and if you can, we want you to do it in your head, okay? So instead of making all the sounds, I want you to make the sounds in your head. So I'll show you how I would do the first one. So I'm going to count on my fingers. It's. Then if you don't know, then I will help you. It's. Did you see how I did it in my head though? I didn't need to make the sounds. Okay, I'll give you 3 seconds to do it in your head and say the word. She's. He's. Let's. What's. Buzz. Track. So remember, we're trying to do them in our head without making the sounds with our voice. Truck. this is the next one. Clock. Now we're right here. Yeah. Cluck. And last one. Puffed. How did you do? Were you able to get most of those sounds? If you were, great job. And if you weren't, good job trying and keep trying, okay? So great job to everyone who did this with me. Okay, let's look at this. This can either be a name, a sentence, or both. Let's read it. Gus. Is that a name? It is actually. It's a name for a boy. Is it, and maybe it's the beginning of a sentence. So let's read. Gus dug in the mud with us. Let's read it fluently. Gus dug in the mud with us. Do I have my capital? Yes. Finger space? Yes. Legible, that means I can read it? Yes. Spelling? Yes. End mark. I'll give you 3 seconds to tell me which end mark. 3, 2, 1. A period. And a period, remember, is just a statement. I'm just telling you something. Let's look at another sentence. Let me move up here. Here we go. Bud huffs and puffs as he runs up a hill. Now let's read it fluently. But, oh, whoops. Oh, I need to turn on my marker. Bud huffs and puffs as he runs up a hill. Okay, do we have a capital? We do. Do we have finger space? Yes. Legible? Yes. Spelling? Yes. End mark? Yes. 3 seconds for the end mark. 3, 2, 1. Period. Remember, a period is a statement. I'm just telling you something. Here are our high frequency words. 5 times. Could. Could you pass the nuts, please? Live. Does a fox live in a den? One. There is one frog on the log. Then. What did you do then? 3. 3 black dogs run in the grass. Okay, here's our story. You're going to go first, then we'll do it together. Together. Can Bud stop Bug? Let me get a color you can see that's a little bit darker. Orange. These are words you'll see in the story. I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, in. 3, 2, 1, the. 3, 2, 1, see. 3, 2, 1, do. 3, 2, 1, my. 3, 2, 1, makes. 3, 2, 1, live. 3, 2, 1, has. 3, 2, 1, 1. 3, 2, 1, 2. 3, 2, 1, then. 3, 2, 1, 3. 3, 2, 1, could. 3, 2, 1, with. 3, 2, 1, again. Okay, friends, so let's take a look at this. You're going to go first, then we'll read it together. So you first. Together. Can Bud stop Bug? And you'll, okay, so you get to go first. Here we go. Together. Bud sits in the sun. Bud can see Bug. Do not sit on my head, Bug. Your turn. Together. Bud makes a plan. Bud hums in the sun. Bud can live in a hut. Bug will not. Let me go to a lighter color so you can see it. Okay, your turn. Together. Bud lugs stuff, so he's pulling stuff. But Bud has 1 to go. Then Bud sets up 3. Bug still runs in. So he wasn't really able to get rid of Bug. Okay, your turn. Together. Bud sits on a rug. Could Bud and Bug hug? Can Bug live with Bud? Bug is in. Your turn. Together. Bug can zip in. Bud will not stop Bug again. Bug gets bread. Bud fills up a cup. Yum! So in the end, they became friends, which is wonderful. Okay, friends, I didn't mean for this. Oh, I can fix it right as you watch. So 1 second, I'm going to fix it. I forget that I can fix it sometimes. Let me see. Well, what if I move this over? There we go. Okay, so up here is she is. So with a contraction, we want to make the word shorter, so we don't have to say as much. So we cross off the I. See how the I is crossed off right there? And then we put an apostrophe where the I used to be. And then push the S in. So it's she, apostrophe S. She's. Okay, let's look at another one. Let us. Now this doesn't have an I, but it does have a U. So we cross off that U and put an apostrophe where the U used to be. So let's. And remember once again that apostrophe S can say Z or S. So he's, do you hear that Z sound? And it's, do you hear the S sound? I do too. Okay, remember a noun is a person, place, or thing. We're talking about singular nouns, which means one person, one place, or one thing. Or plural nouns, which means more than one. So plural means more than one person, place, or thing. Okay, let's look at each sentence and find the noun first. Then they go up to the roof. Okay, so think in your head, who's the person? They, person, place, not really, thing. Then they go up to the roof. Well, a roof is on top of the house. A roof is a thing. So there are my two nouns. Now, this one is, okay, so now let's look at this. Let's look at they. Now this one's a little tricky because they is more than one, right? So this is actually a plural noun because they is more than one person. But let's look at the next noun, roof. Is there more than one roof? No, so it's single. It's by itself. Singular. Singular. There we go. Okay, here's our last one. Last, they pound the nails. Okay, who are we talking about? They, and that's plural. Plural noun, because it's more than one. Pound the nails. What's the thing? Nails. Now, do we have more than one nail in nails? We do, so that would be plural also. So my plural nouns are they and nails. Okay, friends, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, everyone.